Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make text fill transparent Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Create a new layer, right click on your mouse, type tool, Arial, black, choose your text size, choose text color, type anything, press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Step 1, choose the first layer, click Effects, Blending options, and now see this fill opacity. Use stroke, choose stroke color. Example, use white, increase or decrease size, inside, center. Again, fill opacity 0, transparent. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.